The idea of a smaller all-electric Bentley entering the scene in 2026 creates a picture of a luxury brand stepping into a new territory, where compact proportions mix with the same high-end personality Bentley is known for. The shape seems to lean toward a more urban-focused SUV stance, with tighter dimensions and a smoother, cleaner silhouette compared to the massive Bentayga. Designers appear to be experimenting with slimmer crystal-cut headlights, a more aerodynamic front end, and a grille-less face that still keeps the Bentley identity alive through sculpted patterns and sharp detailing. The body looks like it carries a floating roof design, hidden door handles, and strong shoulder lines that make the SUV feel expensive even at a glance, almost like a condensed version of Bentley's grand touring language built for city life. Inside, the cabin is expected to prioritize luxury without overwhelming size, offering a more intimate interior wrapped in sustainable materials, soft leathers, and handcrafted metallic accents. The dashboard might be built around a large curved display blended into Bentley's traditional craftsmanship, making technology feel elegant rather than intrusive. Ventilation likely hides behind seamless trim pieces, while ambient lighting spreads across the cabin in a soft, diffused glow. The rear seats seem to offer lounge-style comfort, with deep cushioning and electrically adjustable positions, giving passengers a taste of Bentley opulence even in a compact footprint. Storage appears cleverly integrated, and the panoramic roof adds a sense of openness, making the smaller cabin feel surprisingly airy. Underneath, expectations point toward Bentley's new EV platform shared with other high-end brands under the group umbrella. Dual-motor setups are likely to be standard, with power figures comfortably crossing the 500 horsepower mark, giving the SUV instant torque for silent, effortless acceleration. Range estimates hover around the 500-kilometer mark, depending on battery configuration, while fast-charging capabilities promise short stops and long journeys made easy. Adaptive air suspension, active noise cancellation, and advanced drive assist systems are all anticipated to elevate comfort to Bentley standards, even at lower speeds in the city. Pricing will naturally position this SUV below the Bentayga, but still firmly in the luxury bracket, aimed at buyers wanting a smaller, more maneuverable Bentley without giving up the essence of the brand.